What's good, Fly family? This is your boy Rico, and this strategy I'm about to present to you is what I like to call the big three. The benefits of the big three is you are now able to find reversals off of engulfing candles. And this strategy has absolutely changed the game for myself and a whole lot others in the Fly family. So I want to give it straight to you so you can start to dominate this market. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it, y'all. The big three. As you can see here, SPY has been getting absolutely slaughtered for the last 5 weeks, and we've been waiting for a reversal move. But as you all know, just like what goes up must come down, what comes down must go up in the stock market. So it was finally time this past Friday. And as you can see, we finally got that reversal move. And I'm telling y'all, man, SPY took off. But let's go straight to the daily, man. I want to show y'all how this thing works. Now, first thing first, what you got to understand is an engulfing candle. An engulfing candle is a candle that takes out the low and the high of the previous candle. In this case, on Friday on SPY, you see that it took out the previous low and it took out the previous high, and it went absolutely insane, y'all. So I'm going to break this down to show y'all how simple this strategy is. Now, first thing first, in the strat world, you have candles labeled as 1, 2, and a 3. On your ones, that's going to be your inside candles. On your twos, that's going to be your continuation candles, breakout candles, if you will. And on your threes, you're going to basically find that engulfing candle where you can catch that reversal. Now, what I want you to understand is this. When Friday opened, the market dumped. We had got economic data that pushed the market down, and it basically gave us everything that we needed to set up for the big three. Now, you would think in your mind, oh man, the market is just crashing right now. I should get in on this continuation. Where if you're in the mindset of the big three, then you're not looking for that continuation. You're looking for a reversal. So in this case, when I seen SPY gap down on Friday morning, it was only one thing that I was looking forward to happening, and that is a failed two. A failed two is when a candle fails to continue the trend. So in this case, the two that started on the day, it reversed and it started to make its way back up. Now, when that happens and you get that failed two, that's when your antenna is going off, because it's one level that you need to be looking at that you're trying to break through first. And in this case, with us going back up, we're looking at the previous low. So let's start there. So I've already told y'all before, you know, an engulfing candle is a candle that's going to take out the previous low and the previous high. So the previous low is always going to be your entry. In this case, on Thursday, the previous low was 421.17. So that was our entry level. Soon as we got above 421.17, then we already knew it was game time for you to get in this trade, because you've already failed the continuation down and you're looking to go up now. So once you get above 421.17, you're looking at the 50% retracement of the previous candle to be your first target. So let's start here. Your entry is at 421.17. And automatically, you already know where you need to go for this thing to really get it cracking, which is at 423.27. Flyzilla has already gave us that 50% retracement level, but for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and set it at 423.27. And that's going to be our first target. Now, once price got to that 50% retracement, that's going to be your testing level. So that's what you got to understand. You can set your stop loss right there, because sometimes candles just don't go three, but you already know that for you to go three, you have to bust through that 50% retracement. So that's a level where you can set your stop loss for you to take profit, because you've already got a big move from 421.17 to 423.27, but you're looking for it to go three. So you already know you have to get above that 50% retracement at 423.27. So that's where you're going to test. So it's no need for you to start getting nervous if you see things pull back from there. You already know that's the level that you have to bust through. And once you bust through that level, You got one more target for that candle to go 3, and that's at the previous high here at 425.37. And as you can see, once we bust through 425.37, SPY went absolutely bananas for a higher Friday at 431.13, man. Oh my goodness, man. I knew that if SPY got through that previous and the dope thing was, I told the Fly fan, for SPY to go absolutely bananas, it had to get through that previous close of 424.50. And as you can see, man, it bust through that previous close, went 3, then it went above the week open. See, these are levels that we'll get into as I continue to release videos on my strategies. But man, SPY went absolutely bananas. And as you can see, the candle is purple. So on Flyzilla, that's one of our indicators. When a candle goes 3, the candle turns purple. And as you can see, man, my goodness, I saw contracts going over 1,000%, man. Friday was an absolute movie. So when you catching these reversal candles off of the big 3, I'm telling you, the benefit is something just happened on the other side to make the contracts that you're about to buy lose value. So when you buying those contracts at the value where they're at, 9 times out of 10, you're getting them for the absolute low. So when you're getting them for the low and you catching that reversal, at the least you catching 50 to 100% on the right move. I'm telling you, man, it gets crazy on the 3. If you don't believe me, you can ask the Fly fan. The 3 is going absolutely nuts, and it would change everything for you. The dope thing about the 3 is the most simple strategy out here for you to use and dominate the market on. It gives you your entry, and you already know the next 2 targets. You just have to have market sentiment in your favor to push the stock the way that you want it to go. And it's ball game. I'm telling y'all, man, the big 3 is crazy. But let's look at another ticker real quick. I want to pull up the Qs. Oh my goodness, y'all. Another ticker that went 3. Hey, I'm just showing y'all what it is. I already know the power of the 3. Everything that y'all seen me accomplish as of late has been because of this strategy. I'm telling y'all right now, it is the one. So same thing that you saw on SPY, previous low, that was your entry at 355.14. So let's go ahead and put that right here. We got our entry. We got our 50% retracement at 357.65. Let's go ahead and add that right here. This is our first target. And then we had our previous high right here at 360.15. Same outcome, y'all. Entry 355.14, game's theme right there to go to the 50% retracement at 357.65. And then we bust through that and bust through the week open at 358.54 to get to the final target of 360.15 and went absolutely crazy off of an engulfing candle. I'm telling y'all, man, use the big 3. It's going to give you the entry that you want, and it's going to hit the targets that you need for you to make great money in options trading. And what I want y'all to understand, man, the thing I love about the 3 is it's a setup where you're not trying to predict the market. You're getting confirmation every time that setup is about to happen. So it's helping your discipline for you to stay out when it doesn't make sense to trade. So many people are getting cooked in this market because they're just taking trades without any type of setup, and you're messing up your entries. And then when the trade goes left on you, you don't know if you need to hold or you need to fold. And sometimes you find yourself folding and getting out of the trade, and then it turns around and it goes right for you, and you're pissed about it. This is going to keep you from making those type of mistakes. The big 3, y'all, I'm telling you to use this strategy. Now, what you may have seen on my screen at the top right, you see active potential 3, then you have all of the targets. Basically, we have a big 3 indicator which you can check out right here, that I give to all VIP members that's in the Fly family. So make sure you hit the link in my description to get your hands on this indicator. Basically, the indicator will let you know as soon as you get the failed 2. So as you can see, this was a failed 2 on the week. You see how it was red and this candle turned green? That was a failed 2 down. So once it got the failed 2 down and the candle flipped back green, then the levels went active and you were able to make your moves off of the 3. Now, the same thing happened on the daily. The reason why you're not seeing it and it says inactive is because once it goes 3, then the levels just disappear. You know, it's inactive now because it's already went 3. It already had those levels for you. So what you would have seen was, soon as it hit a failed 2, then you would have seen the entry level pop up for 421.17, the 50% retracement pop up at 423.27, and the final target, which was the previous high, pop up at 425.37. And you would have had all of your targets right there for you to see and for you to trade. So I'm telling you, man, I'm giving you the game on YouTube. I'm giving you the resources in my trader community. It's no reason why you shouldn't be dominating the market off of the 3. I'm not hyped for no reason. I'm showing y'all what it is and how to make this money in the market. You have to use the strategy. Please, please, please get this money in the market, y'all. Big 3. Now, obviously, I showed y'all a bullish 3-bar reversal, but in the sense of a bearish one, it's the same exact thing. When it's a failed 2 up, once it comes down, the first level is going to be the previous high. Then you're going to have the 50% retracement, and the previous low is going to be your final level for it to go 3. So it's entry, target, target. And if you're looking for a bullish 3-bar, it's entry, target, target. Very simple, very effective, the big 3. Once you implement it and you start dominating the market off of it, I want y'all to hit the comments on this video and tell me how it transformed your entire trading journey, y'all. And with all of that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want access to the big 3 indicator and the big 3 bots that's in my Discord, make sure you hit the link in my description. You can take advantage of a 7-day free trial and check it out, man. Come get this money with the Fly fam. This is what we do. And with all that being said, I look forward to seeing y'all eat in this market off of the big 3. This is your boy Rico. And until the next one, the world is yours.